Ever since I was a kid, I've loved airplanes, and the passion has grown ever since. I love flying because of the freedom you have. You're like a bird, totally in control. The freedom and control that we can achieve with the ETEC 8K helps Aerosport Additive produce the highest quality prototypes and production parts possible. Whether it's automotive, medical, military, consumer product, we're not designing in a box anymore.
The Xtreme 8K is a unique technology that offers two projectors that allow quicker speeds for printing, as well as crisp, sharp prints that are coming off the platform once completed.
Aerosport has two Xtreme 8K machines that run 6 to 7 days a week. We can go through and produce up to 1,000 parts a day off one machine that are high quality with dimensional accuracy, close to, if not better than, injection grade quality.
We have done a lot of work over the years with Adaptive3D on development of their different resins, and it was a good stepping stone for us to get into the Shore soft rubber type 3D printing.
Adaptive3D's material is different from any other material that's out there. One of the largest differences is that it's a soft elastomeric material that comes in Shore ranges from 30 all the way up to 90.
The Xtreme 8K and Elastic ToughRubber opened up new design possibilities for us by allowing us to use latticing, use honeycombing. We're able to do end-use products, production-grade products, that traditional methods won't allow you to do. 3D printing allows us to cut out multiple processes to produce a part. We do not have tooling anymore.
We've been in business for 25 years. We've always strived to supply our customers and clients the highest quality production parts as possible. These are all parts that we can mass produce on the 8K, reducing our labor costs by about 50%. The sky's the limit with the ETEC technology.